Internal trade has risen by 73% in 4 years, a fantastic increase.
But how? What exactly have you done?
I'll give you an example from the coal and steel community, which has been running now for 10 years.
Much of Europe's heavy industry is concentrated in one small area. Northeastern France, northwestern Germany, Holland, Belgium and Luxembourg. This workshop of Europe was crisscrossed by frontiers. Now the community has abolished them. The steel plants of the different countries, rebuilt and modernized, can now work and compete together. In Italy, many steelworks were becoming obsolete. Sooner or later, they would have had to modernize in order to compete. The coal and steel community has helped them to do it. Here in Genoa, some 10,000 people live, and live well, from the extra work that modernization has brought. In fact, more skilled men are wanted than the town can supply, so more are being trained. Flats have been built to house them. 12,000 more will go up in the next few years. In Genoa, the community has brought more jobs and a bright future. But what about the other side of the coin? The darker side. For example, in the Borinage, like many others, are being taught together in special European schools in all the languages of the community. Here among the children, the European idea is taking root, establishing a pattern for the future. A future when differences of language and custom are no longer a barrier to understanding and friendship. The universities of the community temper scientific and technical knowledge with the wisdom of an older. All these are challenges on a world scale. But here in Europe, something new is emerging. The community exists and it works. Other countries may join it. Now it can take its place among its friends and allies in a partnership of equals. Already, it represents a new form of international life, hopeful but practical. A new method that may someday lead towards a peaceful and a united world.